No, 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 no. Hey, man, Rasta man. Hey, yo, that's enough. I do that. That's me. That's my job, brother. That's my job, brother.
Well, I'm just doing my job, my friend.
I know. Hey, get up, man.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, babe.
You going.
Nope.
Pull the wrap.
It
comes with the thing?
Yeah, it comes with the whole
Man, give me some of this, bro. I got this, bro. This is my job. I only do this. I only do this. Hey, come on, get up.
I'm just
Get
doing
up.
my job, my friend.
Come on, what are you doing, lady? This how you doing it?
No harm, my
What's
friend.
wrong with it? He said that it comes with it. That's what everybody does when they come to Jamaica.
No harm, my friend. Come on. You see that he ain't have to smack it?
You get one too.
No, what, man? I don't want no massage from him.
You get one too.
Come on, I seen the slap. I get the rub.
You have a female to do for him?
Yeah, man, sure, my friend. You want a girl to come and do it?
Yeah. A girl can come.
Can she wear that?
Yeah.
Come on. Get up. We got. Let's pull this raft up.
Can you help me, please?
No, I got it. Help, please. Come on, man. This why you want to do the trip?
The front part. You gotta do the front part.
I'll do the front part. I'll grab the clay. I'll rub you down. See? I'll do it.
Yeah, man, no problem, man. You know it's Jamaica, man. We don't mean no harm, man. All right?
No harm, huh?
No harm, man.
So what was that little slap about at the end?
No, we're just doing the job, the right and proper.
I seen the rub, but you slapped it. I was over there. I was using the bathroom.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure you see me slap her?
I seen the slap.
I didn't see that. I think he's seeing things. He didn't.
You didn't see the slap on the cheek?
You sure, my friend? I was just rubbing, you know what I mean?
Rubbing.
Yeah, I was just rubbing, you know what I mean?
So I'm seeing things? I ain't see a slap?
Probably you see
Oh
the
my
illusion, you know what I
God,
mean?
he's a whole mess. You knew what we were coming to do here.
I knew it. I said you get the legs down.
Yeah, but he said that why not to get the whole package? It comes with it.
The package, bro, can we just wrap it up? The package is over. Come on, get
Sure,
everything.
my friend, why not?
The package, nah. I seen
It's
enough.
Jamaica, man, you know what I mean? You don't have to get up, you know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Like, he gotta do his job, baby. We paid for this.
Then why don't you have her do it?
You sure you want her to do
I
it?
don't know. She was not here in the beginning.
Come on, man. I seen your news feed on your Instagram when I was looking through it, and I kept seeing this, and I knew it. I go to the bathroom for 2 seconds. I come back, and you getting your buddy rubbed.
That's why
But how did you even get down here that quick? How'd you pull the mat out there that quick?
He came and got me. And he
All right, man. We wrapping it up. Come on, we gonna pull this up, pull it off the rock. We going back. Come on, we going back. Yeah, I'm sure. I'm super sure. We gonna pull it up, and we going back. I'll help you. No. Here, I'll help her. No, I got it.
Okay, bro. Okay,
I got it, man.
No
Yeah.
problem,
Fall back.
No problem, bro.
Fall back.
All right? No problem.
Yeah, no problem. You know, we gonna walk back. Come on, let's walk back.
Can she help me?
Yeah, let's just walk back.
Can you manage
Oh,
the
no,
journey?
they're gonna take.
I'm sure.
Can you manage the journey to walk back?
I'm gonna walk. Let's walk. We